Rando is here, and it's time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight, as you could see, we got TNT Fireworks, and we got tanks with spray. Now, I've done these before. It's been a few years, and you can see here, they come in a 6-pack. They got reports that are going to shoot out in the front and probably in the cannon. Now, what's interesting here, if I move it around, all right, there you go. See? Nothing on the bottom. The bottom is completely, well, actually, that's not true. Let's see here. Oh, we got tank action here. Looks like Sergeant Pyro. Whoa! All right, we're going to go over here. All right, it says 6 pieces. We're going to go over here, and there we are. All right, so now I got them this way. I'm going to flip it around. Oh, yeah. All right, so when it gets a little bit darker, and it's almost there here on the ranch, we're going to go ahead, there we go. We're going to go ahead and have our own tank war on the BBQ Rando Ranch. Yeah, stick around. So we made it! We made it to the launch pad. And this is a special launch pad because you could see we got the 6 tanks out and they found the enemy somewhere behind this wall. Would you look at this? Listen, we spare no expense here on the BBQ Rando Ranch with props to make the demo that much more interesting. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start to light a few of these off. Let's see how it does. Fire 1! Get the enemy! Oh, wait, we're going the wrong way! You're shooting the wrong way! Ah, here we go. Oh, yeah! Fire! You know what? Let's get another one going here. There we go. We gotta get the enemy. All right. Whew. All right. We're taking 2 here. Whoa! Yes! You know what? We're going to get a 3rd one going. Whoa! We're in a helicopter over the ranch. Flying over. Whoa! Yes! Now we got 2 of them going here. Whoa! And then let's get the 3rd one also. Whoa! What is happening? Whoa, it's war! War! We won the battle. Yes! BBQ Rando Ranch tanks 1, enemy 0. Oh yeah!